Today I am reviewing the Corsair Vengeance i5100 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. First, the heart of the system is the Intel Core i9-14900KF processor, the latest 14th Gen Intel CPU architecture. With a base clock speed of 3.2 GHz and a turbo boost capability that rockets your processing power when you need it, this CPU effortlessly handles the most demanding games and multitasking scenarios. Whether you're streaming, editing videos, or running multiple applications, the i9 keeps everything running smoothly without compromise. Cooling is a critical aspect for such a powerful machine, and Corsair delivers an exceptional solution with their iCUE Link Titan 240RX RGB liquid CPU cooler. This liquid cooler not only ensures your processor stays at optimal temperatures during intense gaming sessions, but also operates quietly. This means no distracting fan noises, just pure gaming immersion. The dynamic RGB lighting integrated into the cooler adds a stunning visual flair that complements the rest of the system's aesthetics. Speaking of looks, the Corsair iCUE Link 2500X RGB dual-chamber case is a masterpiece. With tempered glass panels on the sides, you get an impressive view of the internal components. This is not just for show. The case is engineered with excellent airflow in mind. 9 high-quality Corsair iCUE Link RX 120 RGB fans use magnetic dome bearings and air guide technology to concentrate airflow and keep all components cool. This combination of form and function guarantees your PC runs reliably at peak performance, even under heavy loads. When it comes to graphics, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU is the star player. Powered by NVIDIA's revolutionary Blackwell architecture, this graphics card delivers incredible ray tracing capabilities and AI-driven features like DLSS 4. These technologies enhance game visuals dramatically while boosting frame rates, allowing you to play modern AAA titles in stunning detail and buttery smooth performance. Imagine gaming at ultra settings, experiencing lifelike lighting and shadows, all without worrying about lag or frame drops. The system comes equipped with 32 GB of Corsair Dominator Titanium RGB DDR5 memory running at blazing speeds, which ensures seamless multitasking and quick loading times for your favorite games and applications. DDR5 memory not only improves bandwidth, but also helps future-proof your gaming PC for the latest software and games. Complementing this is a spacious and ultra-fast 2 TB M.2 SSD. With PCIe Gen4 speeds, this SSD drastically reduces game loading times, speeding up system boot and data transfers, so you spend more time playing and less time waiting. The entire system runs on Windows 11 Home, the latest operating system from Microsoft, which offers a modern and intuitive interface with excellent gaming optimizations. This OS is designed to work hand-in-hand with the hardware to provide smoother gameplay, better support for streaming, and access to a growing library of games on Xbox Game Pass and the Microsoft Store. For gamers who demand both performance and aesthetics, the Corsair Vengeance i5100 also features fully customizable RGB lighting throughout the system. Using Corsair's iCUE software, you can personalize every light, syncing your PC's colors with your gaming peripherals or mood, creating a cohesive and immersive gaming setup. Finally, Corsair backs this system with excellent build quality and support. Every component is handpicked and professionally assembled in a way that guarantees reliability and durability. The dual-chamber design not only enhances cooling, but also organizes cables neatly, making maintenance and upgrades easier. In summary, the Corsair Vengeance i5100 gaming PC offers an unbeatable combination of raw power, superior cooling, stunning design, and future-ready features. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or power user, this machine is built to handle it all with style and confidence. If you want to experience seamless 4K gaming, ultra-fast multitasking, and whisper-quiet operation, the Corsair Vengeance i5100 is a fantastic choice that won't disappoint. Ready to take your gaming to the next level? This PC is absolutely worth considering.